So we just had to do a major clean out of a storage shed, and I found a whole box of fleece that got tucked away in there when we first moved into this house. What's it been, like 3 years? Yeah, something like that, maybe a little more. And so I thought it would be fun to open up this box with you and see what's inside and see what kind of stories emerge, because I know by the label that's on it that some of the fiber animals that gave me these fleeces I no longer have. So let's open the box and see what we can find. Alright, isn't it fun when you find boxes you never opened after you moved? So this is a diaper box. I don't have any babies in diapers anymore, but they made handy moving boxes. Don't want to cut that bag. Oh no, I'm ripping the bag open. Tape got stuck to it. Oh well, it's going to need a new bag anyway. So the label on my box simply says fleece, and then it says Angora, Curly Kid, and Gaston. So I still have Gaston. In fact, you can find some of his lovely locks over on the website right now listed. So it looks like I'm going to have even more of his. And Curly Kid, that means Curly was the goat's name, the Pygora goat, and Kid means that it's his kid fleece, so that's exciting. And we no longer have Curly. I believe I sold him after we moved. Because we needed to downsize to fit our new property. Okay, let's see here. This one looks to be, let's see if I can move. It's better, right? Okay, so there's Gaston. It's really packed in there. But he's fun. He's a nice gray silvery Pygora goat. But he has these patches of lighter colored, of actually white on him. This one says that it's a fleece from April 2017, and it's a 1 year of growth fleece, meaning we didn't get him shorn at the half-year mark. Alright, so there's Gaston. A little bit smelly, needs some washing still. Let's see who else we can find. What's this? What is in this box? Oh! I just opened it up upside down. Okay. This box is some Angora rabbit. And this I actually got with my first spinning wheel that I purchased. Look at how light and fluffy. And I have not been brave enough to play with it yet. I wanted to get really good as a spinner. So I was saving this until I felt like I was an adequate spinner to make something wonderful with. And I might have just reached that. We'll see. I have something to share about my spinning journal in another video. Spinning journey in another video, because I got something very special for my birthday this month. So we'll talk about that later. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. So this one, okay, so here is Curly. from 2017, and was his kid fleece. Let's take a look at it. Thankfully, this box was all sealed up really well, and so we didn't get any rodents or bugs or anything in this. Cleaning out the shed was quite an adventure, as it can be sometimes. Oh, how interesting. The memories are not good. At least, you know, it's a good thing we write notes, because in my mind, Curly was a blonde, and clearly Curly was not a blonde. So, oh, this is so nice. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get some of this washed up to share. This is really nice. Here, get a piece off. There you go. It's a twig. It's really, really soft. And he's got some nice locks too. Did I sell Curly? Why would I have sold Curly? Maybe I didn't sell Curly. Maybe something else happened to him. Sorry, those years when we moved and things is all kind of a blur. I was coming out of dealing with some health issues, and I hadn't been very hands-on with our animals for a while. So my brain's a little bit foggy about all that, but wow, this is nice stuff. Okay. Let's see what's next. This bag looks like another bag of wool that came with my first spinning wheel. Yeah, this is just some wool roving. I thought I was all out of that. Well, cool. Guess who gets to make a bunch of fun yarn and stuff and bats and things. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. That one, and one last container. It is in a plastic box. Is this more Angora? This is more Angora rabbit. Clearly there's some experimenting that needs to happen here. Wow. Especially because I think it would be really great to get an Angora rabbit. We like bunnies. Alright. Okay, well, I can't get in the camera. There we go. Thanks for opening this box with me. I hope it wasn't too boring. And go keep an eye out on the website, mahomestead.com, because I'm going to be listing a whole bunch of fleeces, whether they be raw or partially processed, and maybe even future, if I get my spin on a lot, some yarns. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.